Hello everyone, I'm going to plant peanuts today. The area to plant peanuts should at least get 8 hours of direct sunlight. I prefer rich, loose, and well-draining soil, and the soil pH is 5.8 to 6.2. So they prefer acidic soil. Make sure to buy raw peanuts. I bought these 2 years ago, dried skin peanuts. These are my leftover from harvest last year. By the way, I bought this from an Asian supermarket. You can plant it with a shell, but it will take some time to germinate. Make sure when you remove the shell that the red coating is intact. The germination is between 10 to 15 days. From planting to harvest would take 120 to 150 days depending upon the variety. You can plant them 8 inches apart. As we can see here, I'm planting them on a garden bed. You may plant 2 or 3 seeds. Because I'm planting them in 3 seeds, my distance from here to there is 10 inches, and from that to here is 8 inches, and this to that is 8 inches, and to that also is 8 inches. The size of my bed is 24 inches by 60 inches only. The distance between this to here is 10 inches. Likewise, this one is 10 inches, 10 inches to there also. Plant the seeds 1 1/2 inches to 2 inches deep. When the plants produce the yellow pea-like flowers about 40 days from planting, heal with soil around the base of the plant like the potato plants so that the peanut pegs can push into the soil and keep the soil consistently moist. Stop watering 2 weeks before harvest time. When the foliage are yellow in color, that's the time to harvest. Pull the plants, shake off the soil, and let the entire plant to dry with the peanuts for about a week. Kindly consider subscribing to my channel, like and share my videos. May you have a good day.